Thank you for choosing HSA for all your audio-visual storage needs. In today's tutorial, we demonstrate how to fully assemble an Inspire series rack. First, lay your base on a scratch-resistant surface and attach the back as shown. Tilt the desk to standing and attach the other side panel. Put the top panel in place and tighten all cams on the underside. Tip the desk on its face. Attach the bottom panel with the cams facing down as shown. Tighten the cams. Roll the tambour into place via the slot as shown. Let gently go all the way down until it touches the desktop. Place stop block and tighten into place. Install the rear access panel and tighten into place. Tilt back to standing and install handles on the lead tambour. Thank you for choosing HSA for all your audio-visual storage needs.